Addition and subtraction. Hello friends, today we are going to study about addition and subtraction. Addition is finding the total value of two or more numbers. The sign of addition is, let me give you an example of an addition sum. My cousin sister Kyra had 4 pink marbles and 3 blue marbles. How many marbles does she have? So 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. Subtraction. Subtraction means subtracting a smaller value from a bigger value. The sign of subtraction is, let me give you an example of a subtraction sum. I had 10 marbles and I gave my cousin sister Kyra 4 marbles. How many marbles do I have? 10 minus 4 is equal to 6. Now friends, we are going to learn addition and subtraction of big numbers. But before we do that, we are going to revise the place value of digits in a number. Let us consider the number 56,72,389. We would start counting this from the right. 9 is the units, 8 would be the tens, 3 is hundreds, 2 is thousands, 7 is 10,000s, 6 is lakhs, 5 is 10 lakhs. I hope you all remembered the place values. It is very important while adding and subtracting numbers, we need to align the place value. The units place of one number will come under the units place of the other number. The tens place of one number will come under the tens place of the other number. The hundreds place of one number will come below the hundreds place of the other number. The thousands place of one number will come under the thousands place of the other number. The 10,000s place of one number will come under the 10,000th place of the other number. The lakhs place of one number will come under the lakhs place of the other number. The 10 lakhs place of one number will come under the 10 lakhs place of the other number. Now we are going to solve some examples. 23 lakhs 45,678 plus 9 lakhs 87,654. Nine lakhs 87,654. Before we start adding, we have to ensure that the place values are exactly aligned, that the units place will come under the units place, the tens place will come below the tens place, the hundreds place will come below the hundreds place, the thousands place will come under the thousands place, the 10,000s place will come under the 10,000s place, the lakhs place will come under the lakhs place, and the 10 lakh place, there's nothing here, but then the 10 lakhs place has to come below the 10 lakhs place. So 8 plus 4 would be 12. Carry forward 1. 7 plus 5 is 12, and now we would add the 1, which is 13. 6 plus 6 would be 12. We can also say it as 6 2s are 12, and then we are going to add 1, which is going to become 13. 7 plus 5 is 12, and we are going to add the 1 which will again become 13. 8 plus 4 would be 12, so 12 we are going to add 1 which will again become 13. 3 plus 9 will be 12, and we are going to add the 1 which we have carried over, which will again become 13. There is no number down, but there is a number on top, so 1 plus 2 is going to become 3. So the answer is 33,332. Now we are going to learn to add 3 numbers together. But before we learn to add 3 numbers together, we are going to put the biggest number first, the second biggest number second, and the smallest number last. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 6, 9. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 plus 2 is 11, plus 5 is 16. Before going ahead, I missed telling you all that we have to align the numbers. The units place will come under the units place, the tens place will come under the tens place, the hundreds place will come under the hundreds place, the thousands place will come under the thousands place, the 10,000s place will come under the tens thousand place. Here there are no numbers, but lakh place will come under the lakhs place, and the 10 lakh place will come under the 10 lakhs place. Now let's start adding. 6 plus 3 is 9, plus 9 plus 4 is 13. Now we would add the 1 on top. It will become 14. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. 5 plus 6 is 11, and add 1 which will become 12 again. There is no number here, but we would add the carry forward number. 1 plus 6 is 7. There are no numbers here, there are no numbers which we carried over, so it will be 7. The answer is 77,22,146. That's pretty easy, isn't it? Now we are going to learn how to subtract numbers. As you all can see, I have written the bigger number first and then the smaller number, and I have aligned the place values. The units place comes below the units place, the tens place comes below the tens place, the hundreds place comes below the hundreds place, the thousands place comes below the thousands place, the 10,000s place comes below the 10,000s place, the lakhs place comes below the lakhs place, the 10 lakhs place comes below the 10 lakhs place. Now let us subtract the numbers. As you all know that 3 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow. We'll put 1 here and then 3. So 13 minus 8 is 5. 0 is smaller than 4. So now we will borrow from here. We'll make this into 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. Again 1 is smaller than 6. So we will borrow from here. (11 minus 6 is 5. 0 is small. is smaller than 4, so we will borrow from here. Here also there is a 0, so we will borrow from here. This is 10, but then here also we need to borrow. So 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 minus 9 is 4. 7 minus 7 is 0, and 3 minus 3 is 0. Answer is 46,565. 0 has no value, so I have not put zeros here. Now let me give you another example of subtraction. But as you have seen, I have written the bigger number first and then the smaller number, and I have aligned the place values. I have written the units place below the units place, the tens place below the tens place, the hundreds place below the hundreds place, the thousands place below the thousands place, the 10,000s place below the 10,000s place, the lakhs place below the lakhs place. So here 3 is smaller than 6, so we have to borrow. This would become 0, and this is 13. So 13 minus 6 is 7. We cannot minus 0 from 5, so we will borrow. 5 minus 1 would be 4, and since we carried 1, this will become 10. 5 minus 10, 10 minus 5 would be 5. 4 minus 2 would be 2. 7 minus 2 would be 5. Again 5 is smaller than 8, so we will borrow. So 15 minus 8 is 7, and 7 minus 4 is 3. So the answer is 3,75,257. Now friends, we are going to learn mixed examples. Let us understand what is mixed examples. Mixed examples are examples in which there is addition and subtraction. Now how can we understand, should we do addition or subtraction first? In this example, the subtraction sign comes first. So we are going to subtract these two numbers, and with the answer of subtracting these two numbers, here the addition sign is, so we are going to add the answer with this number. Let me show you how this is done. 6, 4, 8, 3, 2, 1, 7. Subtract 2, 3, 9, 4, 1, 2, 8. As we have done earlier, we have to align the place values. The units is under the units place, the tens place is under the tens place, the hundreds place is under the hundreds place, and so on. Since 7 is smaller than 8, we have to borrow. So 1 take away 1 will be 0, and now we would put the 1 here, it will become 17. So 17 minus 8, answer is 9. Again 0 is smaller than 2, so we are going to borrow. 10 minus 2 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. 3 is smaller than 4, so we are going to borrow. So 13 minus 4 is 9. 7 is smaller than 9, so we are going to borrow. So 17 minus 9 is 8. 3 minus 3 is 0. 6 minus 2 is 4. Since we have subtracted these two numbers, we are going to add the answer to the third number. So, four, 0, 8, 9, 0, 8, 9, add 16, 8, 4, 5, 7, 9. So 9 plus 9 is 18. We can also say 9 twos are 18. 8 plus 7 is 15. Add 1 is 16. 0 plus 5 is 5. But then we have carried over one number. So 1 plus 5 is 6. 9 plus 4 is 13. 8 plus 8 is 16. Add this one, which is 17. 0 plus 6 is 6. We have carried over 1, so we would add it to the 6, which is 7. 4 plus 1 is 5. So the answer is 57,73,668. I hope you all understood, but just to make sure, I'll give you another example. In this sum, first comes the addition sign. So because the addition sign comes first, we would add these two numbers, and the answer we get, we would subtract with this number. Three, 7, 2, 1, 9, 0 plus 2, 1, 8, 3, 1, 0. So 0 plus 0 is 0. 9 plus 1 is 10. 1 plus 3 is 4, and we have carried over 1, so it would become 5. 2 plus 8 is 10. 7 plus 1 is 8. We have carried over 1, so it would become 9. 3 plus 2 is 5. Now friends, since this number is bigger than this number, we will subtract this number from this number. Five, 9, 0, 5, 0, 0. 1, 5, 6, 9, 0, 0. We need to align the numbers also properly. So 0 minus 0 is 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Now 5 is smaller than 9, so we will borrow. We can't borrow anything from 0, so we are going to borrow from here. 9 minus 1 is 8. We would make this 10. Since we need to give 1 to 5, it would become 9. 15. So 15 minus 9 is 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. 8 minus 5 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. So the answer is 4,33,600. Now friends, I am going to show you how to solve word problems of addition, subtraction and both. I will show you example 3 and example 5. Example 3, if Sureka bought a tractor for 8,07,957 and a thresher for 32,609, how much money did she spend altogether? Altogether is another word for total. How much money did she totally spend? So to find out how much money did she totally spend, we would add these two numbers. Now let me explain to you how to solve example 5. If the government gave rupees 34,62,950 worth of computers and 3,26,578 worth of TV sets to the schools, what is the total amount it spent on the equipment? Total means altogether. How much money did they altogether spend in this equipment? So this number, add this number, would be how much money they would totally spend. Now I will show you subtraction sums. I will give you example 1 and 3. Example 1. Prathamesh wants to buy a laptop worth 27,450 rupees. He has 22,975 rupees. What is the amount he still needs to be able to buy the laptop? Now Prathamesh has 22,975 rupees, but the laptop costs 27,450 rupees. The difference will give you the answer of how much more money he needs. We have to subtract this number with this number to come to know what is the difference. Now I will solve the third sum. In a certain city, the number of men is 16,37,856 and the number of women is 16,52,978. By how many does the number of women exceed the number of men? In this problem, we have to find how many more women are there than men. To do this, we have to find the difference. To find the difference, we have to subtract the men with the women. Now let us look at some mixed problems. I am going to solve your example 2. A city has a population of 37,04,926. If this includes 11,24,069 men and 10,96,478 women, what is the number of children in the city? So I am going to draw and explain you how is this done. This is the total population, 37,04,926. And there is 11,24,069 men. $10,96,478 women, how many children are there. So we would add these two and subtract it with this. The answer of that would be how many children are there. Now friends, just to make sure that you all have understood, I have given you all some sums. I would like you all to solve these sums and I will display the answers of these sums in the next video. Now it's time to solve the sums which I had given you in my Roman numbers chapter. Convert to English numbers. X is 10. V is 5. So 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 3 is 18. X is 10. So 10 plus 10 is 20. V is 5. So 20 plus 5 would be 25. Plus I is 1. So it will become 26. X is 10, so X and X would be 20. I is 1, so 2 I's would be 2. So 20 plus 2 is 22. Convert to Roman numbers. 29 we would write as 2 X's, 1 I and 1 X. 7 we would write as VII. 24 we would write as 2 X's. Can we put 4 I's? No, we would not put 4 I's. We would put I and a V. I hope you all have got these answers right. If you still have a doubt, you can refer to my Roman numbers video. I hope you enjoyed my addition and subtraction video. Stay tuned to Ananya's Maths Corner for more video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Bye friends.